Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. It's your girl Alanna here, and today we're going to be trying 5 summer curly hairstyles. Let's get into it! Okay, so the first hairstyle is going to be a cute half up. I'm going to use this really cute flower claw clip. It's super easy, so what you're going to do is take your favorite front curly hair piece. I like to grab 2. One can be a little bit different than the other. I feel like it adds more of a style. So yeah, just grab your favorite 2 curly hair pieces, or even 1, and just section that out. And then take your 2 side pieces of your hair, pull it to the back. Let me show you. So you're gonna take the 2 pieces, pull it to the back. Once that's together, put in the claw clip, and voila! Super cute, super easy, and doable for every day. Now that we've done hairstyle 1, we're on to hairstyle 2. And for that, I'm going to use a little flower clip. What you're gonna do is you're gonna leave maybe a little bit of like a front piece and then just twist it to the side. Take your flower clip and pin it in. And this gives you a beautiful Hawaiian flower summer hairstyle. Okay, for the third hairstyle, I'm going to be using this claw clip and doing a half up. Yes, I know I love doing half ups, but it's kind of my thing. Anyway, so grab a front piece of hair. Grab 2 front pieces of hair, take your 2 side pieces, and connect them in the back. Then what you want to do is twist the back of your half up. Put the claw clip in and drop this part down, and then spread out the extra hair that you have. And yeah, that is hairstyle number 3. On to the 4th hairstyle. This one's going to be a little bit more complicated than the others, and it's going to be a braid half up. So what you want to do is, again, pick out your front pieces that you like. I like these 2, and you're going to separate them. I'm going to use a gator clip and just kind of pull it back. Voila! And then your other side piece, you're going to braid. So make sure it's all separated and everything like that. And what we're going to be doing is like just a normal braid. So what you want to do is separate it into 3 sections. Try to make them as even as possible. And then what you're just going to do is braid it. Now once you're done with your braid, what you want to do is take some clear hair ties. I have this little one from Walmart. It has like 300 clear hair ties with different sizes. Or you can just take a normal hair tie, or even a scrunchie. I'm just going to use a normal hair tie, but normally I'll use the clear ones just because it blends in easier. And once this side is done, just let it sit there, and you're going to take out the other side and do the exact same thing. Okay, once you're done with your 2 braids, you're going to take them and connect them at the back. Okay. Once they're connected at the back, use another hair tie and tie it. And once you're done with that, you can add a little claw clip for some decorations on the back. Okay, my hair is a little messy now, but we're on to the last 5th and final hairstyle. It's going to be a really easy one. What you want to do is take what do they call these? Like a coil hair tie, or even just a normal one, whichever you have available. And what you want to do is take out a front piece, and I take out another front piece on the side. Try to get it to look similar. This obviously does not look similar, but we can finger coil it. What you want to do is take one front piece and take another front piece and pull up your hair into a simple, easy ponytail. I would also take a piece out for the side for your ear, not super thick, just something like your baby hairs, something short, cute. So that way you can show off your curly hair. And also not look bald. Because sometimes I'll put up my hair and I'm like, oh my gosh, I look like a bald man. You can obviously tie it around more times, but I just like two. That's easy for me. And if you feel like your front piece is too thick, just take it out and then take the rubber band and tuck it right in. And voila! Super cute, easy, literally takes like 5 seconds. Ponytail. So yeah, that was the video. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know how these hairstyles work for you. And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell so that way you get notified every time I post new videos. Bye guys, love you!